how to fix NVIDIA screen tearing. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card and you're experiencing screen tearing, there are some different ways we can go and fix this. So let's get started. You want to come down to the bottom of your computer and click on search and go and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Like so, once it goes and opens up, come over to the left and select Manage 3D Settings. We can then select Global Settings and we can get started. So first of all, you want to come down to Max Frame Rate and you want to go and set this to be the frame rate, to be the refresh rate of your monitor. So you can go and find that by searching a model and make online of your monitor. Mine's 60, so I'll type that in if you've got a G-Sync monitor. Then you can go and select that as well. Now you want to come down to Power Management, and what you can do is go and change Normal, and you can go and set it to prefer maximum performance. Now come down to Vertical Sync, and what we can do is we can go and change this. So at the moment is set to use the 3D application setting. What I like to use is either on or fast. You can try using fast, and if you find that doesn't do enough, then you can go and set it to on. So I'll start with fast, and then once you made those changes, click apply. Now you can also go into the game settings and make some adjustments as well. You can click options, video settings, and I can go and turn VSync on, and you can also go and set the max frame rate to be the refresh rate of your monitor. So I'll make it as close as possible, which is 60. Hopefully now you fixed a problem. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.